Hi guys, how are you? Teacher Mario here. We're back, and this time we will go through Passages 2 by Jaxie Richards in Chalk Sandy 3rd edition. We will cover each and every topic from Unit 1 all the way up to Unit 12. Check out our Instagram account abcenglish.tv where I share grammar notes with a few exercises and more for you to do on your own pace. The link is on the description. Please join us and let the learning begin. Remember that with hard work and effort, you can achieve anything. Now, without further ado, let's start with the first topic from Unit 1, phrasal verbs. First of all, we will recap three basic parts of speech: subject, verb, and object. To do so, take a look at the following sentence. Lillian is eating pizza. Can you identify the subject, the verb, and the object of the sentence? As you know, Lillian is my subject. Now, what is Lilia doing? Well, she's eating pizza, so eating is my verb. Now, what is Lillian eating? She is eating pizza, so pizza is my object. Asking questions like this is an effective way of getting the subject, verb, and object of any given sentence. And this is going to come in handy in the subsequent part of the topic. Now, we're going to talk about transitive and intransitive verbs. A verb can be described as transitive or intransitive based on whether it requires an object to express a complete thought or not. On the one hand, transitive verbs are verbs that require an object to receive the action. Mind the following sentence. Mr. Robin loves his children. Now, who does Mr. Robin love? The answer is his children, so children is the object of the sentence, and therefore the verb love is transitive because it can take an object. Now let's go through a few examples. The doctor cured him. Who did the doctor cure? Him, so cure is transitive. Number 2. They crossed the street. What did they cross? The street, so cross is also transitive. Number 3. Lily kicked the ball. What did Lily kick? The ball, so kick is transitive as well. On the other hand, an intransitive verb does not take an object. So, using an object immediately after an intransitive verb will create an incorrect sentence. Let's see a few examples. Number 1. Snow fell yesterday. As you can see, the verb fell is intransitive because it cannot take an object. We talked for hours. The verb talk is also intransitive. No object was found in the sentence. Number 3. They laugh uncontrollably. Now, with these introductory topics already seen, let's focus on phrasal verbs, separable and inseparable phrasal verbs. Essentially, a phrasal verb is a phrase that consists of a verb with a preposition or an adverb, or both, the meaning of which is different from the meaning of its separate parts. As its name suggests, separable phrasal verbs can coexist together or apart in the sentence. Separable phrasal verbs can take objects before or after the particle. The group of separable phrasal verbs is made up of verbs like called off, count out, cut off, get across, hand over, pass up, and take back. Let's go through a few examples. Number 1. A friend is someone who brings out the best in you. Or you can say, a friend is someone who brings the best out in you. Number 2. You just don't pass up chances like this. Or you can say, you just don't pass chances up like this. Now, if the object is a pronoun, always appears before the particle. Number 1. A friend is someone who cheers you up when you're feeling bad. That means that we cannot say, a friend is someone who cheers up you when you feel bad. Now, time for inseparable phrasal verbs. With inseparable phrasal verbs, the object cannot go between the verb and the particle. The group of inseparable phrasal verbs is made up with verbs like go over, hang around, live up to, look after, pick on, run out of, and touch on. Let's see a few examples. Number 1. Good friends are always happy to help when you run into a problem. Number 2. Alba asked me to come over to her house for dinner. Number 3. Sometimes I find it hard to live up to my parents' expectations. Now, with certain intransitive two-word phrasal verbs like these, when followed by a preposition, can then take an object. Now let's see a few examples. Number 1. When confronted with an argument, Mark never backs down. Or you can say, Mark never backs down from an argument. Number 2. Even when you fail, a true friend will never give up on you. Number 3. I insist on honesty. I won't let anyone get away with lying to me. Please make sure you practice, and if you have any doubt, let me know down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. See you on the next topic.